Hi, I am Dr. Suresh Shastri. I am an eye surgeon at Vivekananda Drishti Hospital, India. Today the world is facing corona and you must have seen videos telling you to sneeze something like this. Today I am going to tell you a technique, a medical technique to abort sneezing. After all, what is the sneezing? It is just irritation of some nerve here. And if we can block it, we will overcome the sneezing. I am going to tell you that technique. It's very simple. It's in two parts. The first thing is, keep your mouth closed. Inside your mouth there is a tongue. And over and above the tongue there is a hard roof. That roof is known as palate. Just raise your tongue and press it against the palate. This is part one. And secondly, with your index finger, just press here. So there is pressure from within, pressure of tongue, and pressure from outside, pressure of your index finger. Just keep it for 2 minutes. And surprisingly you will see that your sneezing is gone. This technique is given in our surgical book, Surgery of Eye by Dr. Stallard, and frequently we use this technique in our surgeries. I request all of you to pass this technique to everyone, possibly everyone. Let the world know that sneezing can be aborted. And if this happens, we can block one most important mode of transmission of corona, and that is sneezing. Let us together do this thing. Together we can, and we will take care. Stay healthy, stay happy.